Okay, hello guys. I had a very mediocre day. -2R, 2.4R actually. But I rushed my trades. I had a shitty night's sleep. Right when I got done trading, I went back to sleep. Maybe that contributed to it. I don't know. Um, but if I'm looking at Dell here, Dell did something that I really want to be aware of, and it actually did it to the long and the short side, but I would have only taken it short because I was short biased. Dell lowered year-long guidance. Full year guidance lowered, missed on revenue and beat earnings per share. So I was definitely short biased on it, especially on the year-long guidance. So let's see. Let's bring it up here, and I will show you my thought process, and I'll show you what I think I should have kind of done. So looking back here, I think I'm alright with my trade. So I looked for 3 lower highs, and then I felt I was getting a pretty good entry. My stop was above high day, which I got filled with no slippage, which is good. So I'm okay with my trade. I was looking for it, like it's kind of fighting, it can't do anything, and then it sells off. And we didn't even bounce off this level yet. Maybe the only red flag is this right here, the pre-market level we couldn't break below. But I'm okay with my initial trade, but I should have kept watching, and this. So obviously people are getting squeezed in the open, right? And I want to be more aware of these type of trades where it goes in the opposite direction and then starts to trade the way you're biased towards, and that's exactly what happened here. Bounce off this daily level, I could have taken it, and it's, this moving average is swooping down. And I just want to be more aware of these type of trades because this is a perfect short. Like, everything's still intact. Some people just got squeezed out of the open, but I mean, look at the volume. The buying volume was low. Selling volume is way higher, so you buy at the break of this candle and you risk off above that level because I don't think it's going to... I wouldn't risk off the wick. I'd risk off the body. You have good risk to reward, and you break down below VWAP, you have really good potential reward, but you're like a 2-to-1 before you even hit a real level, not counting the VWAP and the moving averages, because in my head, with the news, everything that's happening in the trade, we wouldn't come back and bounce off the moving averages. Obviously anything's possible, but I think that this would be a good percentage trade. Good from probabilistic point of view. Second was DE. Not a bad trade, but definitely not a good trade. DE, EPS in line, beats on revenue, guidance lowered. So I wasn't as bearish on DE as I was Dell. But let's get to the trade. This is a good 5-minute opening range breakdown, but I made one big mistake. So we sell off, we open, we sell off, we bounce off the pre-market low. We come back, a 3-candle sell-off, then we pull back by 2, and then we make this red candle on high volume. I thought, okay, we're probably gonna go lower here. And the mistake I made here is I didn't wait for the break of this low. So the setup is really not validated. It needs to break that low, and then I can risk off the top of these wicks. I would risk off these wicks because all the moving averages are at it, but I took it early and got squeezed, and I actually got a shitload of slippage. I got stop was at, say, 84, and I got filled at 25. 29 I got filled, so yeah, I lost 40 cents in slippage, and I lost 1.5 R. But I wouldn't have taken that reverse direction trade like I was talking about on Dell in this ticker because the news really isn't that bad. EPS in line, beats on revenue, guidance lowered. The news isn't that bad, so I wouldn't be looking for a trade like that. But let's see. I think Baba might have did something similar like that today. This is really a stock, the only stock I should have watched. Yeah, so this is a decent similar thing. So I probably would have fallen into the trap of taking it long here, though. I mean, I definitely would have if I'm watching it. We come up, we pull back, maybe long here. But say, I'm rambling, but let's just say we opened here, we sold off, we found a bottom, and obviously I'm extremely long biased on Baba. It's just been up for, the last few weeks. Hong Kong IPO just did incredible. I think it's the best one ever. So you'd be looking for a little bit of a sell-off at the open, and then, bounces off a level, takes it long. Never makes a new low a day, which is pretty important in my opinion. And then take it long somewhere around there. And it traded from, if you're in anywhere around here, 197.75 up to 275. So $3 move. But that's all hypothetical. One more day in the month, Friday. I'm not sure if I'll trade or not. Yeah, I think I'm up 2 hours on the month, so maybe I won't, just to keep the month positive. But we'll see. Hope you guys had a good day. I will see you later.